All right, here's a last minute Valentine's treat that you can make with your kids. Here's my son giving me some help today. Say hi, Jack.
Hello.
Okay, what do we do first, Jackie? We're going to grab a store-bought cake, a little Vachon cake. And we're going to use a heart-shaped cookie cutter to push it all the way down. Good. Now you can peel the stuff off the outside. Just throw that in the bowl. We'll eat that later. All right, push it through. And then you can dip the outside in the sprinkles and it'll stick to the places where there's some of the white icing showing through. Oh, great job, Jack. Do you want to do another one? Show us how to do it?
Okay.
All right, so we'll make sure there's enough for everybody. Now push, use the cookie cutter, push. Good work. And then peel the outside off. We'll eat that later. Pop it out. Good job. And then you can dip it in the sprinkles all the way around. Get the top too. Don't forget the top. You know you like sprinkles, right?
Yeah.
And done. Cute, right?